Why use the Apple TV app? The Apple TV app is a versatile streaming platform that allows users to watch movies, TV shows, and live channels from multiple services in one place. It integrates Apple TV Plus originals, third-party streaming services, and personal purchases from the iTunes Store, making it a convenient hub for entertainment. Here are the top reasons why you should use the Apple TV app. 1. All your streaming services in one place. The Apple TV app consolidates content from multiple streaming services, including Apple TV plus HBO Max, Showtime, Starz, Hulu, and more live sports and news from select providers. Instead of switching between apps, you can browse content from different services within the Apple TV app. Second, exclusive Apple TV Plus originals. The Apple TV app is the home of Apple TV Plus, which features high-quality original series and movies, such as Ted Lasso, award-winning sports comedy, The Morning Show, drama starring Jennifer Aniston and Reese Witherspoon, Severance, sci-fi thriller, Foundation, epic adaptation of Isaac Asimov's books, Killers of the Flower Moon, a Martin Scorsese film. Apple TV Plus is available as a standalone subscription within the Apple TV app. 3. Buy or rent movies and TV shows from iTunes. The Apple TV app lets you buy or rent movies and TV shows from the iTunes Store, including latest blockbusters shortly after theatrical release, classic and popular TV series. 4. HDR and Dolby Atmos support for high-quality streaming. 4. Seamless multi-device integration. The Apple TV app works across Apple devices, including iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV, hardware device, smart TVs from Samsung, LG, Sony, and Vizio streaming devices like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and PlayStation and an Xbox. You can start watching on one device and continue on another seamlessly. 5. High-quality streaming, 4K HDR, and Dolby Atmos. Apple TV app supports 4K Ultra HD, HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos audio, providing a cinematic experience for compatible movies and shows. Apple TV Plus originals are available in the highest quality with no extra cost. 6. Personalized recommendations and family sharing. The app provides personalized recommendations based on your watching habits. With Apple Family Sharing, up to 6 family members can share an Apple TV Plus subscription without extra fees. 7. Apple TV channels, standalone subscriptions. Instead of managing multiple apps, you can subscribe to streaming services directly through the Apple TV app, including HBO Max, Showtime, Paramount Plus, Starz, and more. Watch all content in one place without switching apps. 8. Offline downloads for on-the-go viewing. You can download Apple TV Plus content and purchase movies, shows for offline viewing on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Perfect for traveling without needing Wi-Fi. Who should use the Apple TV app? Apple ecosystem users. Seamless integration across Apple devices. Fans of Apple TV Plus originals. Exclusive high-quality content. Users who want one centralized streaming hub. Browse multiple streaming services in one place. Movie lovers. Buy or rent movies in 4K HDR and Dolby Atmos. Families. Apple Family Sharing for shared access to Apple TV Plus. The Apple TV app is a powerful streaming hub that combines Apple TV Plus originals, third-party services, movie rentals, and purchases into one convenient interface. With high-quality streaming, offline downloads, and multi-device support, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a seamless entertainment experience.